What is up guys? My name is Kurt and today magbabalik po tayo sa NBA 2K20 with 2K24 mods, and for today's challenge is the greatest ankle breakers of all time.
I was born when I watched me on the
That's right, the greatest ankle breakers of all time. Pipili tayo ng 5 players. That's right, the most known ankle breakers, the greatest crossovers players of all time. Players with better handles than me. Yes, ang pangit ng handles ko. Hindi ko ma-crossover yung bola. And we're gonna put them in a challenge. Hall of Fame difficulty tayo dito. And black top lang tayo kasi 5v5 ito eh. Okay? So, punta tayo sa load, save, all-time greats. Love natin yan. Okay. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa black top. 5v5. Maybe sa Taiwan tayo, I guess. Taiwan na lang. Ayan, dito tayo. Let me show you the 5 greatest ball handlers and crossovers of all time and ankle breakers. First up, we have the answer, Allen Iverson. Siya ang nagpasikat ng crossover noong dekada 2000s. Next up, from the Cleveland Cavaliers, we have Kyrie Irving. Uncle Drew, the basketball wizard, regarded as the greatest ball handlers in NBA history. And I kinda agree with that. Pero si Allen Iverson ang paborito kong ball handler. Okay? Tsaka deadly yung crossover niya eh. Next up, we're going back to the 80s. From the Detroit Pistons, we have Isaiah Thomas, ang leader ng Bad Boys. Kung hindi nyo alam, sa panahon niya, siya ang pinakamagaling na ball handler ng 80s. And I kinda agree with that. Next up, ang originated ng crossover ay walang iba. From the Miami Heat, Tim Hardaway Sr. Siya ang nag-originated ng crossover ng 90s bago pa pinasikat ng AI. Grabe yung crossover to, deadly talaga yung crossover na ito. Baka ma-ankle break ka. And lastly, probably the most underrated ball handlers of all time and players. Hindi siya nag-selected sa All-Star team. Pero ang galing niya mag-dribble. Pag nakita niyo yung highlights niya. We have Jamal J. Crossover Crawford. That's right, from the Los Angeles Clippers. Well, Laker fan talaga ako eh. And now, first 5 ng kalaban natin. Una, from the Golden State Warriors, Stephen Curry. From the Miami Heat, LeBron James. At ito yung pinakamatindi. From the Chicago Bulls, Michael Jeffrey Jordan, the GOAT. From the Milwaukee Bucks, we have Giannis Antetokounmpo. Kailangan nila ng big. And lastly, from the Boston Celtics, we have Larry Legend Bird. Grabe mag-trash talk to. Epektibo talaga sa mga kalaban niya. Okay, and without further ado, here we go. Marami kang magkikitang ankle breakers dito at saka crossover. Here we go. Let's go guys. Excited na ako. We are the Ringers. And as you can see, away team tayo and nasa kanila yung bola. Pero okay lang yan. Here comes Curry. Curry versus Jay Crossover. Oh, come on Curry. Kaya mo yan? No way. Giannis versus Kyrie Irving.
Yeah, you can't guard me.
Grabe yung size advantage nila dito guys. Here we go. Jamal Crawford. Tignan nyo guys. Come on. Jay Crossover. Ankle break. First ankle break. No way. Come on. Na-miss niya. Sayang yun, no? Si Curry pa naman na ankle break natin. Okay, still man. Oh no. Nice spin move. Oh God! Nag-aalip pala si Larry Bird. Okay, lamang sila ng dos. Kaya natin. Let's go! Tim Hardaway Sr. Nice one. No way. Grabe. No! Tumbayin si Crawford. No way. No, still mo yan. Agaw mo yun kay Jordan. Kyrie Irving, come on. Sinong gagard sa akin? Si Larry Bird? Kaya niya ba i-guard si ano? Uncle Drew, tignan nyo. Mapapatumba lang yung si Liberd eh. Come on. Tumba! Sa mukha pa ni LeBron, yung former teammate niya sa Cleveland Cavalier. No way. N1, wait. Okay, this is a game of 21. Kailangan natin makascore ng 21 points dito. Okay? Look at this. Here comes. Look at this. Ang pioneer. Ng ball handler. Nice one. Gagi, sobrang late niya. Nasupalpal pa siya. Wait. No way. Did we just get posterized by Michael Jordan? I think so. Jay Crossover. Walang chance si Giannis. Nice one. Gawin niyo yung kay Giannis. No. Supalpal. Nice one. Here comes Zeke. Isaiah Thomas. Come on, Zeke. Let's do this. Come on. Bumawi ka kay MJ na hindi ka sinali sa Dream Team. Come on. Dapat kasali ka dun eh. Pero hindi ka talaga kasali. Hindi ka sinali ni MJ eh. Tsaka ng team ng USA. Look at this. Pump fake. Faking it. Never mind. No! Imposible yan. Papasok yan. Here we go. Here comes Uncle Drew. Look at this. Gabi. Kay Zeke. Open. Ay, gagi. Ang bilis naman ni MJ dun. Wait. The GOAT pa naman. Oh, no. That's not going in. Here comes crossover. Jamal crossover. Tingnan nyo. Ang bilis niya. You will step. Nice one. Giannis. Dati hindi ko mapronounce yung pangalan na ito eh. Ngayon mapapronounce ko na. Giannis Antetokounmpo, di ba?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yan ba yung niya? Pronunciation ng pangalan niya? Ewan ko eh. Liberd. Jamal crossover. No! Ba't ako tumalon? Okay. Bobo ka talaga dumepensa dito. Kailangan natin to. Tingnan nyo. Come on. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Come on. Panis si Liberd. Let's go. Dian. No way.
That's an air ball.
No way. Airball si Curry. Tingnan nyo to. Tim Hardaway. Look at this. Fade away. Sayang. Pangit ng timing natin, guys. Come on, gusto kong malamang dito. Dalawang basketball goals pa naman yung kalaban natin. Wait. Look at this. Come on. Okay. Come on, Isaiah versus LeBron. 6'8 versus 6'1. Liberd versus Isaiah. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Gabing kayo ba niya? Pineke pa. Nice one. Ganyan si MJ. Siya yung pinaka-deadly dito eh. Okay, nice one. Nice steal. Look at this. Go. Two-handed slam. No way. No. Okay. No way. Supalpal ni 6'1" Isaiah Thomas. No way. Block. Pass. Look at this, guys. Ayan na. Look at this. Crossover. Crossover. Peke. Tim Hardaway. Nice one. Gabi. Nawawalan na ako ng boses. Tsaka nabubulol na ako. Pero okay lang yan. Ganito talaga yung challenge. No! Let's go. Okay. Uncle, dudong ka. Prospect sana eh. Look at this. Kyrie. Panis. Ay, sayang. No way. That's not going in. Si Giannis yan eh. Hindi mauna mag-win eh. Okay. Kala ko, hindi pa papasok. Tie game na naman, guys. Tingnan nyo. Look at this. Tim Hardaway. Wide open. Si Zeke. Wide open. Never mind. Okay, now, don't forget about AI. Steal. Nice one. Nice steal. Kay Zeke. Duck. Dumatak na pala si Isaiah Thomas. Hindi ko alam. Okay, lead by 2. This is great. Kailangan natin ng maglamang ng dos pa manalo sa 21. No way! Okay. Okay, huwag tayo tumira ng mapangit na shots. Okay. It's been quiet, okay? Kasi si Allen Iverson, hindi ba... Oh! Go! Grabe! Panis si Curry. Curry versus AI. No way! Look at this. Look at this, guys. Alley-oop.
Oh my God!
Oh! Wow! Nakita niyo yun? Grabing layup yun, no? It's not a dunk, pero mas maganda pa kaysa sa dunk. Grabe, reverse layup pa. Nice one. No way, still natin yan. Oh God. Oh God. No. Giannis. Liber, deadly and kami ng test. No! Wait. Basa natin kay Jay Crossover. Tingnan nyo. Jay Crossover. Dumadakdak to eh. Oh! Sobrang bilis niya. Dumakdak pa siya kay Giannis. Curry. No way. No, Curry! Hardaway, anong ginagawa mo dun? Here comes Jay Crossover. Look at this. Oh! Sobrang layo niyan. Tumira pa ng tres. Let's go. We lead by 3. Curry, no way. Okay. Kyrie Irving to Allen Iverson. Okay, this is a great match. AI versus Michael Jordan. Alam ko, nung rookie season ni AI, kinosover si Michael Jordan. Gagawin niya ba dito ngayon? Oh, look at that. But this time, i-ankle break na ni Allen Iverson. Si Michael Jordan, okay. That's not going in. Okay. No way. Let's go. Jamal crossover. Copper. Let's go. 18-14. Kailangan natin umiscore ng 4 points. Okay, depensa lang guys. Uy, nice one. Kala ko okay. No way. No freaking way. Come on. Here we go. Okay, Seek. Come on, Seek. Tignan nyo. Oh, bumawi ka kay MJ. Oh, sayang. Mali. Tim Hardaway. Look at this. Tim Hardaway. Oh, versus Lyberg. Tignan nyo. Nice one. Palis na talaga si Lyberg dito kay Tim Hardaway. Okay, I'm gonna shoot a 3. Sino titira ng test? AI for 3. Let's go! We just won the game. We just won the game with the greatest 5 ball handlers of all time. Let's go. We just won the game, guys. At tignan na natin yung stats. Jamal Crawford, amazing. 9 points. Kyrie Irving, 2 points. Zeke, 2 points. Tim Hardaway, nice one. 4 points. And Allen Iverson, bumawi ka sa last shot with only 4 points. Pero yung best player natin ay walang iba kung hindi si Jamal J. Crossover Crawford. Sabi ko sa inyo underrated talaga siya. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang yung video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming videos. Gagawa ulit tayo ng challenge dito. Next one naman ay dun naman tayo sa anime rosters ng NBA 2K20 with 2K24 rosters. Okay? Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace.